Hello friends, continuing with our series of videos, today we are going to see various pitfalls and mistakes what candidates do during their SSB interview. One of the biggest mistake what most of us do is giving socially desirable answers. What do you mean by socially desirable? Socially desirable means giving an answer to impress somebody else. For example, if the question is, tell me about your teachers who could impress you and who did not impress you. And you give an answer where you say that so and so sir or madam was very good because he was sincere and whatnot. But when it comes to talking about teachers who did not impress, the general answer which comes out is, sir, there is no such teacher who did not impress me. I liked everyone, everybody liked me. These are socially desirable answer. Tell me, how is it possible? आप क्लास में हो, ठीक है, 10th में 68-69% नंबर आए हैं, टीचर ने वहाँ कान पकड़ के डंडा लगाया होगा, गुस्सा किया होगा, and you say, नहीं, that teacher is doing this for my benefit. Come on, it does not happen that way. Similarly, if some teacher has not been able to impress you, there is no problem in talking about it. Talking about friends, sir, everybody is my friend, the entire class is my friend, the entire world is my friend. Is that again possible? When we are talking about friends, talk about your group of friends, talk about your good friends, why they are good to you. Hence, please do not try to impress the interviewing officer. You should say the fact, say what you want to say, what has really happened with you in your life, so that the assessor assessing you for your personality knows what kind of likes and dislikes you have, instead of just talking about general things and giving socially desirable answer. One more example of this is giving about your weaknesses. I had a candidate who was sitting in front of me and speaking about his various qualities. When he was talking about his positives, he listed out 2-3 qualities. But when it came to negatives, he did not have any negative quality. That means he is next to Purushottam. Come on. It again does not happen. People feel that if I talk about my weaknesses, what would the other person feel? There is nothing here that he is going to feel. He is assessing you. He needs to know. If you try to hide things or give socially desirable answers, there is no way he will be able to assess you correctly. Hence, to our benefit, what you should do is give out, talk about yourself, talk about everything that you have done in life, so that the right assessment is made. Please keep watching our videos, and we will be talking about various aspects, various pitfalls and mistakes what candidates do in our forthcoming videos. And also do try to like, subscribe and share as well. Please keep watching AFO SOP channel, where Lieutenant Colonel Ganesh Babu has put numerous videos giving excellent insight on SSB and SSB procedure. Also meet me in the privileged batch of AFO SOP, where I would be personally conducting interview sessions and individual interviews. Looking forward to see you all. Thank you. Jai Hind.